Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be my evening routine. It has been a while since I've filmed anything like this on my channel. I've been focusing my channel around cleaning and I've really been enjoying filming and editing my cleaning videos for you guys, but I really do love to film these other kind of videos, which are like the routine ones and the vlogs as well with my little boy George. Obviously with being in lockdown, as we were all in a global pandemic, everyone sort of had the time to do things they wanted to do, so I focused my time in lockdown around just trying to work on my channel, gain a bit of confidence in filming and get more experience with filming and editing, and I was sort of regularly uploading 3 times a week. I have recently started a new job. I now work a Monday to Friday 9 to 5 job, so I haven't had as much time to film because when I'm obviously at work I can't film, and then at the weekends I'm just trying to spend as much time with my family and my little boy as I can. So I'm just having the attitude that if I can film I will, so I'm going to film when I can and what I can, but yeah, I thought this evening I would pick up the camera and share with you my evening routine. So it is currently around 7:30. I have just put my little boy George to bed. If you're not a subscriber here, then my little boy George, he is 2 and 4 months, I want to say, 3 months, but he is going through a bit of a terrible 2 stage, although he is the cutest boy in the world, and I just love him so much, but he is a bit of a handful. So I've just put him down to bed. I can still hear him up in his bedroom now, so I'm going to just pop up and check on him. Before I sit down and watch some TV, I've got myself a twirl. I just felt like I really needed some chocolate this evening, although it's been quite a bad day. It's actually a Sunday today, and we went up to Blue Water and we went to TGI Fridays, and I also had a milkshake, so I'm just splurging today. But tomorrow's Monday, so I'm back on the healthy eating as of tomorrow, and then I'm just gonna sit for probably about half an hour and watch some TV. I'm currently watching Into the Unknown, which is the making of Frozen 2. I'm a big Disney fan. I'm obsessed with Disney. We all are in this household actually. My son is obsessed with Frozen. He loves Olaf, that is his favourite character. So I think we're just gonna sit here. I'm gonna watch some TV and then I'm gonna go upstairs and run a bath. Okay, so these are all the products then that I'm using for my bath this evening. So I've got a very battered looking conditioner, but these are the Treseme's. I know they're a little bit different. These are just the ones that I prefer and I feel like work well with my hair. So this is the conditioner, which is the volume and body, and it is almost empty, so I do need to get a new one. And then this is the cleanse and replenish shampoo, and this just works really well. I feel like my hair gets greasy quite quickly, and this just seems to help it not seem as greasy. And then for my face wash, I'm using my Simple Moisturizing Face Wash. This is amazing if you have sensitive skin like I do. It works really well. That was a lot of reallys. So yeah, I'm going to use that for my face, and then for my body wash I'm going to use the Nivea Shower Cream Indulgent Moisture Cashmere, and this smells incredible and it just leaves my skin feeling super soft. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a bath. So in here I've got my Lush bath bomb, so I'm going to use the bath bomb and have a bath, and then I'm going to do my hair and my body wash and everything like that in the shower afterwards, because I just feel like I can't wash my hair or my face in the bath with the bath bomb because your body just gets so glittery. And also I'm not prepared to stroll into work tomorrow with my face covered in glitter, so that is now the plan. Okay, so I'm not sure how well you can hear me because I've got the bath running behind me. I have a toddler that my partner is seeing to this side, all whilst I'm trying to have a really relaxing bath. But this is the bath bomb that I have got then, that is from Lush, and this is the Intergalactic, and the colours on this are just amazing. It smells really good as well. I stupidly didn't get a label. They did offer me one, so I have no idea what's in it, but I'll link it down below if you guys want to go and check out what like the ingredients are, because I'm pretty sure it's all like natural ingredients, and it just looks incredible in the bath as well. Okay, so as you can see, I'm out of the shower, hair is completely dripping wet, but I'm now going to be moving on to moisturising and deodorant. So this is the moisturiser that I normally use. This is the Dove Nourishing Body Care, and this is the Self Tan, and I've got this in the fair to medium skin. As you can see, I'm a very pale person, but my skin has been so sensitive recently, so I have tried a new moisturiser which has been working amazingly. And that is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, and it is with vitamin E, and it just softens, smooths and relieves dry and rough skin. And I have got the worst skin at the moment. I feel like I have really dry skin around my neck, sort of like in my arms. I used to suffer with eczema, and I feel like it's slowly coming back. I don't know whether maybe it's the hot weather, but this has been working really, really well. And then also I'm using the, is it Xanax? I think it's Xanax, a 0% alcohol deodorant as well. This works incredible as well, really good for sensitive skin because it has 0 alcohol in it. Okay, so as you can see, I have now changed into my pyjamas, and I've just got this oversized pyjama shirt on, which is extremely comfy. So as you can see, my hair is looking really, really wet and just completely ratty and tangled. So I'm going to sit here, I'm going to blow dry my hair, I'm going to straighten my hair, so it's just like another job I haven't got to do first thing in the morning before I go to work. A product that I love using, have used for years, I can't even tell you how long I've been using it for, but that is the Tresemme Heat Defense Spray, and this is to care and protect and seal in shine. So this is what I use. So I'm going to brush through my hair, apply this, and then blow dry and straighten my hair. So I've just finished blow drying my hair, and as you can see, I just have really, not frizzy, but like puffy natural hair. So my hair straighteners are currently heating up. I'm currently just watching some of Jade Billington on YouTube. I'm watching her Disney vlogs from last year. She is one of my favourite YouTubers. If you're into Disney vlogs and evening routines and day in the life vlogs, she is incredible. So I'll link her channel down below, so go and check that out if you want to, because she is just fantastic. But like I said, I'm heating my hair straighteners up. I'm going to sit here, I'm going to watch Jade, straighten my hair, and then I think I'm going to paint my nails. I need to file them first, cut them down, and then paint them. So whilst I'm straightening my hair, I'm going to think of a colour that I'd like to paint my nails. Okay, so I have finished straightening my hair, so now moving on to just some basic skincare. I am not a skincare guru in any way. I just have like a few products that I know work well with my skin, and that I am enjoying using. So the first is a moisturiser, and I'm using the same brand as my face wash, and that is the Simple Kind to Skin Sensitive Skin Replenishing Rich Moisturiser. I use this twice a day, once in the morning, once in the evening, and it really does work wonders at just getting rid of any dry patches that are on my face. Okay, and then the next product that I'm going to use is this No. 7 Youthful Eye Serum. This is hypoallergenic, so again, great for your skin if you suffer with sensitive skin. One of my really close friends bought this for my birthday. She bought it for me, yeah, for my birthday, but she owed it to me a couple of months late because of coronavirus, obviously, and it's actually been her birthday recently as well, and I have her card and her gift sitting right over there. But obviously I haven't seen her. She worked where I used to work, and I've now got a new job. The sort of industry that I worked in before was restaurants, so we worked a lot of evenings and weekends, but my new job is more of like a Monday to Friday 9 to 5 day sort of job, so we keep missing each other. But I'm going to book a week's holiday soon, so hopefully I can meet up with some of the people that I used to work with there, because it'd be really lovely to see them. But I use this twice a day. Obviously I use it before putting my makeup on, and I do this once I have done my cleanser and my moisturiser. This is amazing as well, by the way, if you are someone that has lack of sleep and has massive black circles under my eye. As you know, I'm a mum to a toddler who is currently going through a really bad sleep pattern, and he just always seems to be awake, which means I do as well. Last but not least, my lips. I use a trusty Vaseline. This is just the one with aloe vera in, just to leave my lips nice and soft, because again, in the summer I am someone that suffers with really bad dry lips. Actually, I suffer with it bad in the winter as well. I think it's just a change in the weather, but yeah, this works really well. Okay, so that's everything done then in the way of hair and in the way of my basic skincare as well. So moving on, I feel like my bath and my shower and doing my hair and everything, it went really, really quickly. And I said if I have enough time, I was going to sort my nails out. Now, I am quite blessed. I have quite strong nails, and they also go really, really quickly as well. So as you can see there, they are, I don't know if the camera's going to focus. There we go. They're quite long, but they do, I mean, they're strong, but they do sort of chip easily. So I'm just going to file them down. I'm going to cut them, and then I'm going to paint them. I have got this, so you can sort of see, it looks brown in the camera, but it's sort of like a light brown beigey sort of colour, but these are the ones that dry in 60 seconds, and these are great if you are in a hurry, or if you have a toddler that is going through the sleep regression, and if I need to keep getting up, I can quickly get these painted. Hopefully they'll dry in time before he wakes up soon and needs me to comfort him. Getting ready for the evening. I have finished painting my nails. They aren't the best. I'm not that great at painting my nails, especially I'm really bad at painting my right hand with my left hand, but they are as good as they are going to get. I feel like now I work in an office job and not in the hospitality industry. I feel like maybe I should treat myself and paint my nails, maybe get them professionally done. So maybe I'll look into booking in to getting my nails done professionally, and I'll get a pedicure too and get some matching toes and fingers. But as you just saw, I've just made myself a chamomile tea. I'm just gonna let that brew, and whilst I am, oh, the lighting went bad then. Whilst that's brewing, I feel like I'm just gonna feed the fish. I don't know if you guys, if you've watched my channel before, but we have got a really cool marine tank. So this is our marine tank. It does need a little bit of a clean, however we have just bought some more snails and crabs, and they need to settle in the tank before we start giving it a clean. So in a couple of days it will be time to give the tank a clean, but I am just going to sit and feed the fish now. As you can see, they know it's dinner time and they are hungry. So just before I get into bed, I'm going to spray my bedding with my Lush Twilight Sleep Spray. I'm going to enjoy my cup of chamomile tea, which really helps me relax every evening, and I'm going to get started on my book. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and like today's video. I would love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye!